Missy!
Go get it, Missy!
Missy!
Go get it!
What is that, Missy?
Missy, what is that?
Get it, Missy, get it! Oh, Missy, run away! Oh, here comes Missy! Oh, look out, Missy! Here it comes! It's gonna come and get you! Oh, this is one of mankind's greatest inventions. There's Destiny's new pink slippers. And here's Destiny's pretty little face.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
This thing is great. Missy, what are you gonna do, miss? Oh, now here she is. She's up here on the sofa. Missy, what do you think?
Look at Missy.
Missy's totally freaked out. Missy says, I don't know about that.
Ready? Oh, Missy. Oh,
Missy and Destiny.
Oh, look at that. Missy, look at that. Missy, look at that.
Here comes Miss. It's gonna get you. Run for your life. Run for your life. There she goes. She's gonna look. She's gonna attack it from above. I'm in love.
I know, right?
It's coming over here. It's trying to get underneath my this rug needs a really thorough, like a deep cleaning. Yes, Destiny. Look how cool it is. Oh, amazing.
Ready?